management tips. To trade a token on DexScreener, start by opening DexScreener.com in your browser. First, choose the blockchain where the token exists, like Solana, Ethereum, or BNB chain. Next, find the token you want to trade by browsing or using filters for volume, liquidity, or market cap. Once you've located it, click the wallet icon to connect your self-custody wallet, such as Phantom for Solana or MetaMask for Ethereum. With your wallet connected, you can analyze the token's price action using the integrated trading view charts. Check indicators, trends, and other data to make informed decisions. When you're ready to trade, click the Trade button, usually located near the token's information, to open the swap interface. Choose the decentralized exchange you want to use, like Radium, Jupiter, or Uniswap. Before completing the swap, double-check the token contract address. It's crucial for safety to avoid scams. Set your slippage tolerance, review the transaction details, and approve it in your connected wallet. Once confirmed, the swap will execute, and your new tokens will appear in your wallet. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step crypto guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover trading on other DEXs or more advanced strategies.